Probably do one more coat before we actually do the gel coat. I want to make sure this is good and reinforced before I put the gel coat on. Gel coat will be the final coat. And what I planned, guys, I got these oak strips. I'm gonna make 2 more ribs on the bottom of her, just to strengthen her up a bit. So I'm gonna shape these out, cut them to length. I'm gonna glue these on, and then I'll resin these over with fiberglass also. So that's the long-term plan. First, right now, let's get the resin on the main keel. So take a little bit more work, but time I'm finished, it should be good. I've done patches on her before, so this is not new. It's worked before. Just that she had a lot of damage now with that trip we took. So time to get her fixed. I'll just move back here now and just dab the rest of this. Get this all on here. So folks, got a second coat on her. All the way down the keel. Sanded off a little bit before I started, and it's not too bad. I did do actually put another couple pieces on the ribs here, just to reinforce. There was a couple small divots deep to gouges, so I decided to fix those up, and should be good. Now, like I said earlier, guys, what I plan to do is I have these oak strips, and I'm gonna put a keel on either side of the main keel. 2 little keels, I guess what you call it, like so. Fiberglass them in. I'm gonna taper them down, of course, on the end here, because I've seen many canoes that have multiple keels on them. Some canoes have no keel, and they're very maneuverable, but I'm not too worried about maneuvering this thing. I'll go on the straight line more than anything else. So we'll be putting those 2 on there. Now, how I'm going to put them on there yet, I haven't quite figured out. I was thinking I'm going to glue them down, and then I'll fiberglass them over, resin and fiberglass cloth, and should be good. So that's the next stage after once it gets this coat dry, is to put 2 new keels on her. So stay tuned for that, folks. Morning, folks. Back at the canoe again today. I went ahead and I put 2 extra strips on the bottom, and I fiberglassed it in place. Actually, I just put the resin on for now, and I got it strapped down on the ends to keep it in place. It's all dry up for now. Next thing I gotta do is I'm gonna give this light sanding. I actually ran out of resin, so I gotta go get some more now. That's what I'm about to do. And we're gonna coat these over with at least 1 layer, probably 2 layers of fiberglass. Stuck on real good there. So I'm hoping that this will make her more stable. I definitely make her more solid. I understand that on the bottom for sure. Make her more stable in the water. She won't be as quick to turn, but that's fine. I'm not doing any whitewater rafting or anything like that, so should be good. So it's coming along, guys. Take you along now as I go get some more fiberglass, and we'll get this finished up, and I'll pick up some gel coat while I'm at it at the same time. Talk to you later, folks. So folks, got all the fiberglass finished. I got two new keels on there now, and I will give this one more light sanding before I do the gel coat. But basically the gel coat is on the color is called Everglade green. Everglade. See that or not? Everglade written on the can. Everglade, and it's marine gel coat and with wax, so makes it I guess gives you a better finish, or makes it slicker when it's done. So I'll give that next thing a new gel coat, and I also have another little addition to put on this thing, waiting for it to arrive actually in the mail, and I'll get to that when it shows up. And once I get that on there, new stickers, she'll be done and she'll be ready for the gander. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned in the next video for the final video, getting this all completed, and see the final result. Talk to you later.